Pandas. 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 Pandas, 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 pandas. Got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and November. Credit cards and the gammas. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone is doing well this morning. Hope everyone's ready to make some bamboo. Goodness gracious, we've been stuck in this trading range all day, all night, all the time. What in the world? Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm Bye Bye Money. Thanks for joining. Today is Wednesday, hump day, but also it's going to be the last day of streaming for the week for me. If you don't know, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and after that will be Black Friday, which is a half day. So, yeah, today will be the last day of streaming this week. So let's make it count. Should we try? Do you think it's possible, Pandas? I mean, we'll go for it. Let's do the giveaway today. Let's do the giveaway. I guess it's appropriate to say it now, but happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving for those who celebrate it. I know if you're not from the U.S., you probably don't care about Thanksgiving. Why would you care about our Thanksgiving? But if you are, happy Thanksgiving to you. Top left of your screen. We are down 200 on our accounts, but we'll make it back up. What a day yesterday. What a day. What an incredible day. That's hard. I mean, it was just difficult. Lots of nonsense, lots of overlap. The 5-minute chart really kind of encapsulates everything here with the trading range indicator. Trading range indicator, even if the strong move down, it says, nope, we're still in a trading range. It comes all the way back up to the top of the trading range. And that initial spike in the morning really did give us the range, right? Like, if you don't remember, yesterday we had a spike due to the news, and I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna keep buying and selling the spike. So that's what caused me to sell it here. I sold it here. I just got a teeny weeny little scalp, but I did sell it here at the top of the range. But here's a spike. The spike was from here to here, this and this. That was your spike. And we pretty much stayed within this range all day until like around 2 where we did break beneath it a little bit, but undershoot to an overshoot essentially. And then we came right back into it. Now we're back into it. So that spike yesterday really kind of told us the trading range. Here's a spike on the 5-minute chart. This was a spike on the news, and I think that kind of gives us a trading range better than the trading range indicator even. The spike itself, the news itself showed us the key areas of the day. And that could have been your edge for the whole day. Actually, let's take a look at 2 o'clock. I just realized the reason why it probably had a big move at 2 is because we had news. So yesterday at 2, exactly at 2. Exactly at 2 didn't do much, actually. It was like a few minutes after 2 this started to really move. And I mentioned that it's big news, but at the same time, to be cautious because it was not FOMC with the meeting. It was just the FOMC minutes. No press conference. Market's about to open 30 seconds. Are you ready? Are you ready to make some bamboo? This looks bullish to me. This actually looks kind of bullish to me. Weekly chart. Yeah, this looks bullish. Good morning, my pandas. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We do have news today. Wow, okay, we're pushing down. That trap trade right at the open. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Looks like we're not playing games. Looks like we're not playing games. Looks like we're not playing games at all. Wow. Look at this move down. Okay. Trying to fill the gap from yesterday. I might play this gap. I don't know if it's going to make a straight shot down to it, though. If there's going to be a pullback before we get there. It's quite a strong move down, though. I'll tell you that much. It's a very strong move down. Wow. Whoa, we're going straight to fill the gap. Okay, we did it. We filled the gap in one fell swoop. The 5-minute gap is what I'm talking about here. We had a gap all day yesterday. We finally filled it with just one, the first bar. And it's a huge candle. It's a huge candle. We bounced right off of it, though. Bill 7, let me say good morning to my pandas here. Good morning, my pandas. Bill 7, good morning. Crimson Demon, good morning. Banali Hawk, good morning. Day Trader, good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. My watch trade, good morning. Bill 7 says, core PC at 10 a.m. Yes, yes, yes. Zabdel. Hey, I'm a new here, Panda. Well, welcome. Thanks for joining. Bill says it made 875 with one contract. Let's go. Congrats. Creating a second inch short. I mean, maybe I'll try. Maybe I'll try. The fact that it hit the... But it's like perfectly bouncing off the previous day's close. So I'm just like sitting on my pause right now. Waiting for more clarity here. Okay. Another push down. That pullback was very small. Very small pullback, actually. Makes me feel like this is decently strong, actually. Are we decently strong here? Do I keep going short on first entries? I want one candle to finish on the 5-minute chart. Right now your 5-minute It's a strong bear bar right now. Still have 2 more minutes on it. Anything can happen in 2 minutes. Literally anything can happen in 2 minutes. Anything. Think of anything and it can happen. We do have a giveaway today, pandas. Just need to scalp that like button, get to 100 likes, and that giveaway is active. Should I just give like 100 people $1? Should I just split it up evenly? Potential trap trade here. 2,500 tick. I don't like it though, to be honest. I'm looking for a reversal here. Let's look for a reversal. Second to short, coming off the 20 EMA. Good looking signal bar too. Could push down. I just don't mess with it just because we're on its support, strong support. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna try to go long here. Could be a really silly trade, but let's try. Could be a really silly trade. Let's try. I don't know what's happening. I actually don't know what's happening. It looks like it's pushing down. Some follow through on that bear bar. Here's the first 5-minute candle. First 5-minute candle is pretty strong bear bar. The reason why I didn't want to like keep going short is because it filled the gap, and oftentimes when it fills a gap, it could bounce. It could act as a strong support. We did make a new low, and having a tough time closing above the 20 EMA could have gave us some clues here that we were going to push down again. But with this much overlap, harder to say. Really hard to say what's going to happen. Sensei, do you have a YouTuber named Patrick or Tanja? Like their real name? I don't know. No one really tells me their real name. At a certain point in time, this keeps pushing down. I'll switch gears to go to be bear, but right now, very confused. Not confused, cautious. Having a tough time getting above the 20 MA, as you can see here. Do I want to turn to a bear? I'm already a bear. already a bear. I'm a panda bear. Okay. If it has a hard time getting above the 20 EMA again, I guess I'll try. Why not? Keeps bouncing off the 20 EMA. I gotta try at least once. Okay, now we're closing above it. So I wanted to wait. Do I know the YouTubers? I don't. Hugh says, my name is real. I'm sure your parents gave you that name. I'm sure your parents' last name was Rection. It's just super unfortunate. It's like the last name Shoemaker. Every graduation I've been to, I always see that name, Shoemaker. I'm like, man, taking your profession to the next level, that commitment. I mean, what else? I mean, you're basically your destiny is already sealed. Your fate is sealed. You're gonna be a shoemaker, and so is your son, and so is his son, and so were your ancestors and their ancestors. It's just. My name got brought up in Patrick's chat. Oh, we're talking about Patrick, like Wyland? Patrick Wyland? Whore? Also very unfortunate. Let's be real here. Let's call it what it is. What is this? I don't know what it is, but let's call it what it is. Whatever this is, we're calling it what it is. Dare I do something cheeky here? Dare I? Strong bear bar? Strong bear push? Bear leg? Spike channel, that's what we're in right now. News at 10, yes sir. 20 minutes news. Patrick Wyland. People call him Patrick Krylan. All he does is cry. PCE, core PCE. It's a inflationary news, or news that talks about inflation. So could be big. Could be big. Not sure if the Fed even cares anymore. I mean, they do care, I guess, in terms of how much they're gonna cut. But they're most likely gonna cut. But how much is the question? I mean, I could be cheeky here and just go short, but we got like 3 pushes down. 1, 2, 3. 2500 tick chart. Very, very choppy here. Typically, what you would do is just stay away from this. Just stay away from it. Absolutely stay away from it. YOLO for content. If I had some evals, then maybe. But not shooting for evals right now. Just focus on my PAs. No need for evals at the moment. But if I had evals, I definitely would try. Especially with $35 resets. Okay. I might as well. I mean, whoops. I might as well do this. I'll try. It's a small baby risk, but potentially coming back down to the bottom of this, right? Like, we've just been doing this all day. This choppiness. Might as well try to take advantage of it. It could trap here. That's fine. I don't mind. But this to me makes the most sense. Like, we created a bear bar here, top of this spiking channel, and we're gonna try to continue the pattern that we've been seeing for the last several bars.
Target filled.
I'm scared. I don't want to lose money for no reason. I made 15 bucks. Hey, 15 bucks. That's a Chipotle burrito. That's a Chipotle burrito. I'll take it. Yeah, I would have lost that trade. Risk was small, so it's not a big deal, but I would have lost that trade. Okay. Okay. Second to short. Proving to bounce here. Or reverse. Could create a trading range. Oh. Ultimately, I'm going to wait for news now, I think. I think a lot of traders are. Today is a Wednesday before Thanksgiving, so we may get like holiday volume, essentially. But this week, the volume has been very low. Okay. If we're in a trading range, this is how I would mark it, I guess. If we were in a trading range, we hit the top of it and we're kind of come back to the bottom of it. Nor what are some of your hobbies? Climbing trees, rolling down hills, eating bamboo, bouncing on balls. It's getting too long here. Okay. Second long does trigger. Let's call it what it is. Spiking channel. Wow. Second entry long right there. Okay. Good to know. What was the last part, pan up? You got me. You got me. I was just thinking about pandas like rolling on balls and stuff. But you took it like you made it super sexual, which is awesome. Congratulations. You have a mind of a 6th grader, which is perfect for this channel. Here we go. Farting jokes, homosexual innuendos. I mean, can those ever get old? I don't think so. You start throwing your mama jokes back in there too. Bok trades. Bok trades. Trades. That's so funny. Is your icon a chicken? I can't tell what your icon is, but if it is, it's great. My favorite times here were the Your Mama jokes. The technology of Your Mama jokes have accelerated, have gone beyond. It's like one of those memes. 2024, people, where people thought we were gonna be, but where we actually are, and it's like Your Mama jokes. I mean, what? We got about 12 more minutes to news. Let's do it. Let's see what we got. Let's see what the newest developments are in Your Mama jokes. Still sick, by the way. All right. Okay, I mean Reddit. Reddit has to be the best place, right, to look. The most recent thread is in 2024. Let's do it. Let's do it. The first one. I'm not gonna even read. I don't want to read this because of I'm just gonna put it in chat though. I'll put it in chat for you guys to read. I mean, let's just marvel at how funny this one is. But I'm just not gonna say it just because. I just can't. You know, it's a little bit crude. But I mean, it's funny. I mean, we started off with a banger. I don't know. all right. Well, let's calm it down. Let's reel it back. Your mama's so fat, she walked out of the house with high heels and came back with flip-flops. Your mama's so ugly, her portraits hang themselves. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't even read these. Reddit is a cesspool, but they're funny. They're funny. Says your mama's so ugly. Your dad wakes up with morning wood int. It might take a little bit to process that one, but try your best. You won't regret it. Your mama's so fat. When she went on a diet, she solved world hunger. Your mama's so fat, she went on a diet and caused a recession. Oh my goodness. She caused a recession. That's just this technology. Your mama technology is just. Your mama's so fat, she fell off the. Your mama's so fat, she fell off both sides of the bed at the same time. I just. What do people think of this? How do you think of that? Your mama's so fat. She doesn't have a good side. She has a good hemisphere. What the heck? I'm trying to read and trying to find the best ones. You know what I mean? Some of these are like old school, like classic ones. Your mama's so fat. When I imagined her in my head, I broke my neck. Wait. Wait. Your mom. When you thought about her, your neck broke. Oh my gosh, this technology. Your mama technology is just really advanced. It's the greatest advancement we've had. It's like, it's the most progress we had in any technology. Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Your mama's so fat. The sorting hat put her in Waffle House. Oh my gosh. Wait. You have to know about Harry Potter for that one. But if you have like any slight Harry Potter knowledge, then that is like 100% funny to you. Your mama's so fat, the sorting hat put her in Waffle House. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm just... That's crazy. That's just crazy. These are, you know what? It's crazy because these are all new. Like, these are all new jokes. I didn't do this that long ago, and these are all new. I haven't repeated a single one yet from last time. Goodness gracious. I mean, this is moving. 2 legs down now on the 5-minute chart, which is typical, which is like what you want to see, but you never get it. Kind of strong bear bar with follow through strong bear bar, ending on its low. Let's see what happens here. The daily chart, all right. Approaching the previous day's low. Pretty far down though. We have news coming at in 4 minutes, pandas. Could be a while. Could not be, but it might not move until then. What? This is stupid. It's stupid, but I'm gonna say it. Your mama's so fat, when it's a full moon, she turns into a warehouse. Get it? Get it? Three minutes to news. We're almost there. Let's get one more your mama. Your mama's so fat, she puts her belt on with a boomerang. That's pretty skillful, though. Oh my. Okay, some of these are bad. All right, last one. Last one, pandas. Your mama's so fat. She got triabetes. All right, we're done. We're done. That's it. She got triabetes. Diabetes wasn't enough for her. Your mama's so hairy that you were born with third-degree rug burn. All right, we're done. News, 20 seconds. Let's get back to it. Wow, there is no filter on Reddit, is there? Absolutely no filter on Reddit. And news just dropped. News just dropped. Trap triggers. It's pushing down here. News drop, but no joy on any big move here. Okay. I guess I'll try this. I'll try, but I don't love it. I don't love it. I'll try here. We're in this. Don't love it. It's a small baby risk. Just for 10 points. We need at least 10 points here. This trap fails. I want to reverse it. No. Too far beneath the 20 EMA here. Looking for new low at least. Right, lower highs, lower lows.
Target filled.
All right. Got a little bamboo here. Jeez Louise, I'm coughing. 1 second. Okay, I had a decent push down. Okay. Bobby Chin, appreciate kind words. Your mama just started with the show in living color, I believe. Interesting, I didn't know that. I remember that show in living color. That's where Jim Carrey debuted, I believe. I don't know if he debuted there, but that's kind of where he gained his stardom. I still like. I think the only skits I remember from that show were like Jim Carrey's skit when he was like a sailor, but he was like burned. He was like a burned sailor or something, and oh, is he a fire marshal? Fire Marshal Bill. It was such a long time ago. I just remember it was kind of scary, but just ridiculous at the same time. In this trade, small risk. Trap trade. It's a small baby risk. Decided to take it. Confusing. Save my pause. Got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overlapping bars, big wicks. Should have skipped it. Just skipped it. Based on that alone, but hey, content. We're at 29 likes. All right. I miss the glory days. Would have like 250 people watching at the same time. $250, I think. Maybe even like close to 300. That was a heyday. Especially when the two-legged pullback was very popular. Two-legged pullback lost a lot of steam. I still trade it. I like it. I like mostly trading traps, but two-leggies themselves, very hard to come. I mean, if they come by and they're good, I take it, but it just happens so rarely, especially when you have a limited amount of time to stream, that I can't depend on it alone. And when I say stream, like I basically trade only during stream because it's the opening hour. I mean, I'm not gonna. What's the point of finding something that you can do? Like, right? The whole point of this is to have financial freedom. But if you end up being stuck on the computer all day waiting for one setup, then what freedom have you really gained? So you need like a trading style that I believe that you can make money any market cycle within that first hour. This is by no means clear. In fact, it's the opposite. I have no idea what's happening. I guess I can join the party here, see what happens. You can go long here, it's just risky, right? Because what you're seeing right in front of you is complete chop. So you could go long here expecting a breakout. I think the better setup will be to buy down here. Don't quite get back to the bottom. Almost. Alright, we're in this trade. Might need a wide stop though, unfortunately. Scary to do a wide stop here because we're in a downtrend. Could simply continue the downtrend. If we get like probably one more bear bar here, I'll probably just take it out. Let's get hit. Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, I took the full hit. Even taking the full hit, it's not that bad. Bounces right up off of it. That's why I don't do by stop loss. That's why I don't control my that's why I don't get out by stop loss. I gotta get out with the limit order. The wide stop would have worked out. It's very strong, very big stop. You have to really hold through that. And it's scary because it's downtrend, so the downtrend can continue. I guess we're coming back up. Maybe making some sort of double bottom now. All right, push out the 20 MA. Bobby C says, "Don't stop streaming. You're the OG." Yeah, I'm not. You know the whole point of streaming was because no one was doing it. I was like, all right, let's try. No one was doing it, implementing these so-called setups. 90% probability setups. At the time, they were actually very high probability. Making a new low here, possibly. I'll take a small pullback and go short. I need to pull back first. Attempts to break, right? We broke this low, making lower highs, lower lows still. Right, still in a downtrend. I guess go short somewhere. Don't know. I don't feel strongly about anything right now. First entry, should I try? 3 pushes down right now on the 5-minute chart. Set him a pause here. I'd rather look for a reversal at this point, to be honest. It is tough day. Futures live for live trading. Tough day trade, yeah. I agree. It's choppy and bearish at the same time. So it's hard to find a time to come in. Mike G, wishing you a happy Thanksgiving, Panda, and to everyone else here, happy Thanksgiving. Make sure you slap that like button. We're up to 35 likes. I'm not sure if we're going to get there, though, today. I thought we were doing first entries. Guess not. I didn't realize we triggered Big Mama on the 5-minute chart until now. Take shots at me here. Okay. I'm not sure how to trade this, but I will, since I got tick shotted, look, 2 could play this game. 2 can certainly play this game. Interesting. Okay. Higher low. All right. Not yet though. 2-legged move. Almost. Okay, two-legged move. Getting above the 20 MA here. Two-legged move here. We're above the 20 MA now. Looking for a fail second just short, if possible. Okay. Doesn't quite trigger it yet. But it's a Pikachu trade potentially here. Inside bar. Gross. It's gross stuff here. Inside bar. 500 tick chart. How eager am I here? Not super eager. I can wait. There we go. Now I am more eager. Wow, couldn't do it, huh? Micro double bottom. Is that all we're gonna get? I'll try with the micro double bottom. I think I'm gonna miss this setup if I wait too long here. Getting punished for my impatience here, I think. Or rewarded. It's a risk. It's quite a risk, actually. Too much risk. I don't want to risk too much. I'd rather just let it trigger and then re-enter if it's still good. Yeah, I'll re-enter if it's still good. I don't want to, you know, put my risk all the way down here. Unnecessary risk. My impatience punishes me. I should have just waited for my setup here, which is a fail second entry short. Ends up pushing pretty strong down, so good just to wait now. Okay. Beneath the 20 man, I typically don't like this. Alright, this is going, huh? It's really going. Alright. Tough for me. My risk was small. It's okay. That was worth the potential really big reversal here. Now most likely looking for a new low, I think. We shall see. Yeah, new low already created. Jeez. What a push down. By no means if I find this easy, right? Look at the 5-minute chart, it doesn't make sense. This 5-minute chart, I mean, it's just downtrend, sure. But look at all the overlap the entire way. It makes it very difficult. So many overlapping bars the entire way down. Completely overlapping here, completely overlapping here, completely overlapping here. Creating a staircase pattern, I guess. Maybe it's stronger than we think. I don't know. New low created here. Doesn't mean anything though. Should I just keep one short here? I don't know. Interesting. This is tough. Tough. As you can tell, it's tough for me. Down 750 right now. Sorry about that, Pandas. I guess. I mean, here's the previous day's low. I mean, I guess we'll test it or something. The day before Thanksgiving, I did not expect this downtrend. I did not expect this downtrend type day. The market never ceases to amaze me. I guess the easiest thing to do is try to get down to here, but in what manner? Let's take every first entry. This is a previous day's low. I don't know. I don't know what's happening here. Should I just go short? Should I just sold the 20 MA? I don't know. I'll just wait. I'll wait for something. I don't see anything right now. Jeez. What in the world? Too many overlapping bars in a row to really make a decision what's going to happen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. Even if this does shoot down here, it's just hard to trade this. The market's starting to show signs of choppiness. Big signs right here. Teeny little candles as well. Okay, strong bull bar. Nice looking bear bar here. Interesting. High or low? Creating a second entry short opportunity here. Does trigger the second entry short, and then its own bar, outside bar reversal. It's confusing. So much overlap. At this point, you're better off trying to sell up here. Okay, pushing down. Almost touches the previous day's low. Almost. Not quite yet. Almost want to buy it here. See what happens. Let's just see what happens. Let's buy it here. See if we can get like a grand reversal. That'd be ridiculous, wouldn't it be? It's like the opposite of Big Mama here. Big Mama works out. After how many failed Big Mamas, this one works out. So many failed Big Mamas. This works out nicely, I guess. Most certainly going to work out. Could salvage some points here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's happening, pandas. Guess we just go short no matter what today. So many failed Big Mamas. This one just works out perfectly here. And it looks ugly. I mean, the 5 minute doesn't make any sense to me. This price action is just very confusing to me. I guess you never go long on a tight bear channel. Today's lesson. I'll look for one more trade today. Fails I get to short here, and that'll be it. That'll be my last trade of the stream. Second entry short. Forming here. Should I just take this short here? Jeez. I don't know. Doesn't make sense to take the trap. It's underneath the 20 MA. Doesn't make sense to take this short. Terrible signal bar. Margarita Beach says, "Hey, Panda, do you think we'll have a 90% sale?" That's a good question. That'll be great. If there is, you'll be the first to find out. This just doesn't make sense. Let's do this. All right. Fails second entry short. All right. This is it. This is it. You got one shot, one opportunity. Would you take it? Fly. Fly like you're meant to. Fly high. Oh boy. I thought we were flying high. Got a little life here. Got a little life in this trade. Okay, strong bull bars. I don't know. We'll see. We'll take it at 1 to 2 and have a runner. See how high it goes. Almost hit our first target. Almost hit our first target. Didn't quite get there though. Almost though. Almost is not enough when it comes to trading. It has to actually hit it.
Target filled.
Right. We hit our first target. I'll take it. Now we hold. See what happens. Okay. The moment it hits my target, reverse is pretty strong. I mean, could we capture one of these super reversals today? Ever? Is it ever in the cards for us? We catch the reversal of the day. Why not us? Why not this one time? I don't know. I wish we can actually get a nice runner. It's been a long time. We had a really nice runner here. I don't think we're gonna get it though. It's just struggling too much just to even break the previous candle's high. Too much struggle to even do that, so I feel like we're not gonna even get it. Ugh. Can't even break a previous candle's high right now. We finally do. Second entry long. I mean, if this pushes above this pivot high, we're going Super Saiyan. If we break above this pivot high, we're going Super Saiyan. We're in clear waters. Because now we got a strong pivot to work with. We're in clear waters here, pandas. If we break this pivot high. If we break this pivot high, we are turning Super Saiyan on. We might have a runner for the ages here. It might be a runner for the ages. A teeny little bar. What is that? Ugh. That's ugly. Really ugly. Super duper ugly. Ultra ugly. Ugly as you can be. Ugly as your mama. We're dead. Down 6 hundo. It's not the best. Not the worst. But just can't catch a break here. I'm really having a hard time catching a break here in trading. Last week or last 3 days. I mean, it makes sense. This last 3 days have been very terrible. But man, I mean, this is a strong downtrend. It has been. Look at the 5 minute. Look how crazy that is. Right, strong bear bar ending on its low, no follow through. Strong bull bar ending on its high, no follow through. Just complete reverses. I might as well just buy down here. I might as well, no. I'm just gonna buy this bar when it's done. I'm just gonna buy it. I don't even care. In 1 minute, I'm buying this bar. Complete overlap. It's just silly. Well, that's a little bit scary to do this trade. A little bit scary to do this trade. Strong bear bar ending on its low. No follow through. Absolutely no clue what's happening here. It actually does bounce off kind of the area where I had my buy. I feel like it wants to make a new low though. That's the problem. Looking for a new low, seems like here. Could be wrong, but that's what it seems like. Okay. Second to short. Almost doesn't make sense. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. The fact it retraces and bounces back off of this, creating like a micro triple top here. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing. Let's try. Why don't we try here? Is it obvious trading range? Glad I didn't trigger. Is it obvious trading range? Okay. Take it short. Okay. Second short triggers, but doesn't mean much in this situation here. It means the obvious new low. Last trade of the stream. If we can't make anything of this, then so be it. Looking for a new low here. Candle finish. Get blown to pieces here. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. If we can get out, I'll get out now. Trade is ugly.
Target filled.
We're out. We're skunking it. All right, I'm done, Pandas. Have an amazing holiday. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And I'll see you guys Monday. If you guys don't know, Friday is Black Friday. This Friday is Black Friday, and that means it's going to be a half day. So probably not much action. I mean, I could be wrong. There was one Black Friday where the market dropped like 1%. It was crazy. But that was very rare. And but I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Have an amazing weekend. Make sure you gobble up some Apex evals with code BBM for 80% off. And I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy your holidays. Let's be thankful for all the things that God has given us. Yeah, I really think that whatever we have is much more than what we deserve. So, Pandas, that being said, I'm thankful for all y'all. Really. You guys are much more than I deserve. So, with that being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.